Flower vase. A vase is a container often used for flowers. They can be made from any material: metal, glass, ceramic, terracotta, etc. Hello, Kutties. Earlier, vases were used for storage of grains and oil. Ancient Egyptians were thought to be the first to use it for storing flowers. Greeks were the best at producing the most beautiful decorative vases. Hello, Kutties. This is an empty paint bottle. We'll all be having this at home. So we'll see what we can do with this. I thought we will make a small flower vase out of this, a mini flower vase. So for this I am taking white glue, and you will either need a jute rope or you will need some wool. So it is your wish, or if you want you can paint also. So this is a jute rope which I have taken. So I'm going to wrap it over this. So just apply glue. So now you start winding slowly. And see to that there is minimal gap, so that looks nice. If you don't have jute rope, then you go for wool. That also looks very nice. So you can just clean the paint bottle and then you can remove the label on it, and you can do these mini projects. They look really very cute. So just wind. There is no need to apply glue everywhere, otherwise it doesn't look nice. So in between you can just add some glue and then you can carry on. Now take a piece of paper. This is around 8 centimeters in length and 4 centimeters in breadth. So I am just going to fold a little bit here, say around 1 centimeters. And now with the help of scissors I am just going to cut very small strips like this. And cut it into half. Now apply some glue over the bud like this, and roll this. Apply some more glue on the strip of paper. And keep rolling. Now I have this green tape here. If you don't have the green tape, there is nothing to worry. You can, it is just optional. So I'm just putting this green tape onto this. And rolling to the end of the earbud. Now I have made 2 or 3 flowers like this. So now I'm just going to and a cute flower vase is ready. If you want, you can make some leaves here. This is a small piece of paper which I have, and then I'm just going to cut some leaves here. So the cute mini flower vase is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.